I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I am here at night at the Covert Road crossing in the New Castle subdivision. I'm about to blind you. There's a thunderstorm. There's also a train coming. It is late at night.
It's 2 a.m.
This is CSX IO16 intermodal. You can hear them in the distance approaching. Crossings are going off. Here we go. $54.49 and $2.38. Can't see a darn thing. At least I got the engine numbers. I'm gonna put my window up. It's a little rainy. Good old intermodal.
Is she gonna ground?
Yeah, they're going faster here. They always go faster here. It's gonna slow down though because the yard's literally right around the corner. They make a crew change there.
This is the train.
Yeah, they go fast here. Just a little too rainy to be outside right now.
Yeah, Will's just, Josh is sitting in front of the car.
Yep. Well, good news is, guys, the next train that's coming here is gonna be a special one. As you will see. Not going to spoil what it is, but it is something good. Yeah, now I'm going to get out. Why not? Just check it out. I'm practicing my panning. Man, this is a long train. Lots of stacks. I think I'm gonna angle my car. I don't know. Homemade Productions is down there. He's slowing down into New Castle. Well, that's good. The end is finally here. IO16 heading to Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. But a different part of Pennsylvania, obviously. Holy goodness, I don't even see the last car yet. This is insane. This is a long, long IO16. Definitely slowing down. Oh, there's the last car, finally. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. The next one's going to be even more special. So thank you for watching, and it's the Old Man Guy with Old Man Productions signing out.